Checking the phone, waiting for the text. The more you obsess, the more the silence stretches next. Obsessive monitoring creates a heavy interference, signaling you lack, blocking the divine appearance. Fall in love with the game, not the trophy or the gold. Carnegie built the steel, let the value unfold. There's a mathematical curve, the cycloid is the key. The indirect path is the fastest way to be. Balance the effort with the grace of surrender, in a will and out of grace, the ultimate contender. Yoga means union, erase the boundary line between your petty push and the grand design. Let go of the outcome, double down on the craft. The obstacle is the curvature, stay on the path.